I can't even lie, this look is bomb.com. I'm going to be recording another video. Wait on it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. I hope you like it here and I hope you subscribe. Please click on that subscribe button. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. Yeah, so I decided to create this look for you guys. This is just a spotlight halo eye and I used a lot of pinks and maroons and I really love how this look turned out. I went for a glossy pinkish nude lip today. Yeah, so if you like to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching and please make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, you know, share with your friends, your family, your dog, your mom, your dad, auntie, uncle, everybody. Just share it. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So guys, I started off by doing my eyebrows and then I primed my face and I used the Early Girl primer and I just applied this all over my face. Rub, and then I color corrected with my Early Girl orange corrector and then I got my beauty blender and blended it all in. Then for foundation, I'm going to be using my MAC Master Foundation and I'm just going to apply this all over my face with my beauty blender. Blend. You're going to blend it down to your neck so you don't have it look like a mask. I'm going to start by using my Sleek Blush as my transition color and I'm just going to blend that into my crease, and then I'm using this color, this darker pink color from my Romantic Beauty or something palette, and I'm just going to blend that into my eye. And you guys, this palette is so affordable. I got it for 1,000 naira. And then I'm going to use this like maroon shade, I don't know what color that is, and I'm just going to keep blending and blending. I'm using this black just to make it a bit darker, and I didn't apply it too much. I went very light-handed with this. I just wanted to make the pink a little bit darker just because I didn't have any eyeshadow that was the color I wanted. And then I just kept blending, and then now I'm highlighting my brow bone and I just used a shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use my Early Girl Pro Concealer to just cut my crease. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about my new editing. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Let me know. And now I'm creating like a halo on my eyes. And then I'm sorry, I did not know I wasn't recording when I applied the maroon shade on my lid. It was just a foiled eyeshadow. And then I went ahead to apply a brighter one. And then I applied my lashes. Now I'm highlighting my face with this Usha's Cover Up Concealer. And then I'm just going to use this to, you know, highlight the normal areas, and I'm going to blend this in. And you guys, this concealer is not as full coverage as the Early Girl one, but then it is pretty good. I liked it, but then I didn't get the coverage I wanted, so I went ahead to apply my Early Girl Pro Concealer over it. I just applied a little bit of that. And then I'm just going to blend it in. And then now I'm just going to set the parts where I highlighted with my Black Opal Loose setting powder. And I'm just going to press that into my skin using my damp beauty blender. Now I'm using my HIGHLIGHTANDCONTOUR Duo Cover face powder and I'm just applying this all over my face. Now I'm going to contour my face and I'm using my classic contour palette. I need a new contour palette, you guys. I've been using this one for ages. I'm contouring my nose. Now I'm applying my Sleek Blush, the same one I used on my eyes. I'm going to highlight my face now with my highlighter palette. Yo, look at that glow, guys. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead to line my lips, and I'm using this random pink lip liner which says MAC, but it's really not MAC, I don't know. Then I'm going to be applying my Beauty by AD Gleam lip gloss, and this is just going to give me a pinkish nude. And then I'm going back with my brown pencil just to like make the sides darker, and then I'm going to set my face with my Fix Plus. And yes guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think about this look. Leave a comment. I really love how it turned out. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I wish you guys a happy new year, and I'll see you guys in my next video.